We found the rarest Yamaha dirt bike. 1980, of course, is the only year it was made. It's a peculiar example of the monoshock and the 5-speed transmission. Cool. Colors of Kenny Roberts. Maiden choice of Mouse McCoy. We found it. We barn fresh. We race ready. YZ50. I said it was we.
Hey, no, no, no. Hey, no, no, no. Hey, no, no, no.
Thanks to S100's spray-on, spray-off cycle cleaner, we now have a clear view of the damage.
Well, I gave you all my love and I gave you all my trust and I gave you everything that you need. But you only told me lies and you made me realize that, babe, you ain't no good for me.
Let's see how close to the showroom we can get off the shelf, canned products. I solemnly swear to employ no mechanical skills other than screwing things off, cleaning them, and screwing back on. The only new parts we'll install are those that we're missing, or those that are so cosmetic and basic a beauty YouTuber could do it. Plenty of gunk hid from our initial clean. Maxima's contact cleaner will root it out.
It's highly high pressure and often blows out grime without brushing.
The lazy in me prefers low maintenance chemicals, and this one has a force field of dielectric strength, meaning current can't shortcut through the product to short circuit my bike. So, no need to worry about spraying it anywhere. Just spray everywhere. My brushes are muck off because it rhymes off, and that's how I feel about brushes. Don't care. Just make sure you've got a few shapes, some soft, some bristly, with rubberized ends so you don't do more scratching than cleaning.
What a mess of painted and polished parts.
Some of these are too far gone, but before we remove anything, let's try a couple treatments.
S100 Engine Brightener is specially made to blacken the face of black paint, popular amongst Canadian political figures. Scratches aside, that's closer to factory fresh than I thought possible.
For polished aluminum, Moto E6.
Never rush this. Like a Canada-US hockey game, the longer you spend rubbing it in, the better. These outward-facing parts are more scuffed than Mrs. McDavid's garage door. Fortunately, outward-facing parts are always easiest to remove.
I'm filing a hole in my air gun, then hot gluing it to the neck of a bottle. If I fill said bottle with crushed walnut, Now PJ1 makes the hottest high temperature paint. So hot, the formula was actually stolen from re-entry spacecraft.
It's silica ceramic. The latter does the heat-resistant bit, and the former stays flexible so your paint won't crackle as the metal expands.
Beneath every piece of faded plastic is fresh plastic. Just need a drywall sanding cube and buffing wheel to get to it.
As friction warms the material, back comes that factory shine.
But don't let it get too hot. You'll see people do this with a heat gun. What you don't see is how brittle and crackly their plastic is a few weeks later. Good luck finding an unripped YZ50 seat. Our luck is that Saddlemen sells their stretchy seat vinyl in bulk. That's where you wanna go. Now I couldn't find a number plate to fit such tiny forks anywhere, but you can find Kydex everywhere. This bike looks almost new. Might as well make it feel new, as the rider only has a couple points of contact.
Renthal makes OEM-style rubber for that factory feel. Moose makes cable lube and cleaner in one. Like Mechanical X-Lax, this works better than plain oil to flush shit out. And Motion Pro makes these OEM-style levers.
As far as my hands can tell, this bike just left Japan. I know, no mechanic stuff.
But dousing the carb with cleaner ain't exactly engineering. Neither is this toil-free, no-toil air filter kit. Cut the bulk foam, oil it up, grease the lips. A kindergartner could cut and paste a new air filter for any obscure bike.
If we want to ride the thing, that's the least we can do.
Maxima SC1 is a magic silicone detailer. It leaves a shiny showroom coat on everything. But it's slicker than John Travolta in an anorak, so avoid breaks and use something else to shine rubber. Lemon Pledge is the fragrant, slightly less slippery hack.
Gotta be against the law to look this damn good. Watch out now. Cause baby, I feel real good and I wish I would. Watch out now. It's gotta be against the law to look this damn good. Watch out now. Everybody watch out. Watch out now.
We took our wee barn find to showroom condition in 10 products. Really easy, really rewarding, really good fun.
I'm ready for a good time, and I came to groove. The whole band's here, and we came to move. Got a fresh haircut and 2 new shoes. We're here all night like we got nothing to lose. I'm coming out the jacket cause we're turning up the heat. I wanna see you clapping when you get up out your seat. It's time to make it happen when we hit these streets. I'm coming in hot and I can't be beat. Watch out now.